Ever wonder what is the logo design process? Or create a logo that will stand high on your client's expectations? In today's tutorial we will take you through a logo design process start to end. You will come to know how to extract right logo from the client script. So without wasting time, let's jump into the video. Let's see the mail the client has sent us. His name is Dave. He detailed some information of his company and his requirement related to the logo. Let's not forget, maybe the client don't know about designing, but he knows his company better than us. Always considered client expectations and requirement. Here the company name is Trim VFX and their job is related to visual effects and fictional videos. After responding to the client and discussing more about the logo expectations by asking him some questions, you can download the questions you should ask to the client before starting designing logo, link in the description of the video. Let's put on the table what information we have. The logo design start with mind mapping. Let's take the words associated with the company and find their associate words. It will help us to find ideas for logo designing. Then we will combine it with the characteristics required with the client. Let's see which words comes up from mind mapping. From the trim word we came up with cut, trim mark accessor. And from VFX word, we came up with animation, effects, video play button. We will go with trim mark and video play button. Let's put my thought on page. You don't have to be an artist to make it, just rough sketches. Here are all ideas I came up with. Now we will create the concept in Adobe Illustrator. We do not need sketch here, as the logo based on simple geometric shape. First we will turn the grid on by clicking on View, then Show Grid. We will zoom in for a better view. Now we will create a rectangle along with the grid. Now to turn it into triangle, select Add Anchor tool and add an anchor point on right side of the triangle. Now we have to delete upper and lower anchor point by Delete Anchor tool. We will make the triangle a little rounded. This is enough. Now we will create the trim mark over the triangle. Now we will customize the path according to our requirement. By clicking on strokes, we will make the part look like a trim mark over a triangle. Now we have got our final outline of a logo. We have selected yellow color. Yellow color shows the company is positive and friendly. It can be used to grab the attention also. Now while adjusting the logo we will bring the best version of it. Let's create a circle. Here we are trying to give the logo little color depth. We will bring down its opacity. Change the color into white and decrease the opacity little more. Alt plus click to duplicate the circle. We'll put the circle a little higher than the other one. Now we will remove the extra portion of the circles. Select both the circles along with the triangle. Select Shape Builder tools and drag it over the extra portion of the circus. Now we can remove those extra portion of circles. Here the video play button reflect the idea of VFX and video industry. And the trim mark over it reflect its name of the company. In this phase 1 always experiment with different style of font, then I make my mind which font I should go with. We will start by choosing different font, write the logo name, make it bigger. I will start by choosing Franklin Gothic book, which is probably the one I will go with because it's too much fits this project. I like the second name to gain less contrast, then I decrease the size and increase the tracking to make it wider. Now hold Shift and drag to fit the main name. Now I bring the logo icon. Drag a horizontal guide and set it here. Then another one. Now I will align my logo. I will go with this one. Here I have created the logo with some different fonts, but they are more or less share the same values. As a guess, I will go with this logo here, it's look more well balanced and settle. Finally, I make a little presentation and send it to the client. Thank you for your attention. I hope the video will help you on your future projects. Don't forget to comment what is the most valuable information you have gained through this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It inspires us to share more information with you.